What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Albert here. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and just stay updated with my build. But y'all can see right here, I do have two packages from MMD, from American Muscle. I do have the pre-painted side scoops and the pre-painted louvers for my car. The last thing I did exterior wise was probably the wheels, and other than that, just probably the side splitters on the side of the car. The car looks, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look modded. It kind of looks kind of stockish in a way. It hasn't, nothing's been done to the car exterior wise for about a year already, so people already got used to how the car looks. It's nothing too exciting, nothing too new, but hopefully this is a new refresher to the car and maybe we can turn some heads. Usually use like 175 for a piece of plastic, but just look at this.
It's like payment like I've never seen before.
Alright guys, so I already prepped the side scoop and the side of the car. All you pretty much do, you use everything the box gives you, which is adhesion promoter to stick 3M right here, and then stick the 3M, use the alcohol pads to use on the car on the side, where that's where the 3M is gonna stick, and then just make sure you're real careful because this thing sticks super strong. So once it's on, it's gonna be real hard to take it back out. My beautiful assistant is following this way. And before, you always want to do some test fitting before you start, because like I said, this thing will stick and it's gonna be hard to take it off again. After you stick on the side scoop, you just want to hold it down for a couple of seconds, make sure it sticks real well. And it does help out because you do have these edges right here, which pretty much tells you where the side scoop's supposed to go. Just follow those lines and you'll be good to go. Ah, like last time again. Ants. So far, it looks good.
Oh, looking at the screen.
Huh? Ready?
So you know, careful because you might come up with your paint.
That's good, right?
Yep. Remember, they don't have to be perfect.
Hmm?
Remember, they don't have to be perfect. That other girl put him backwards, remember?
What other girl?
The Gabby, the Mustang.
The blue one?
The Mustang queen.
Oh.
She had hers
She
back.
said it or what?
Yeah, by accident. They asked her, did you do it on purpose? No, it was by accident.
So yeah, guys, if you don't know, I guess like the longer part down here is the part that goes to the bottom, so just don't make that mistake of putting it backwards. I mean, if you like them the other way, then you can do it the other way, but yeah, the longer part down here is what goes to the bottom. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I think I should have gone a little bit lower, no?
No, you're fine.
Hope you guys did enjoy the rest of the video. You already saw I installed the MMD side scoops and the MMD Eleanor Louvers. I think it makes the car look a little bit more aggressive, more wide, a little bit more thicker. So hopefully, I mean, it looks a little bit more modern now than before, because before it feels like it just looked like it had a stripes, a drop in wheels. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, comment in the video, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.